Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the Monopoly Go link. Okay, so you want to go ahead and first click on Monopoly Go, open it up, launch it, and then all you need to do is come here at the bottom right. Okay, you'll see this friends option. So go ahead and click on friends right here, and this will pop up. Basically, all you need to do is come and click here at the bottom right on this invite button. This green button right here, go ahead and click on this. Okay, so I'll click on this one right here. And now all you need to do to get the link is to come and click on the orange button right here that says invite. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now here we go. We have the link. So all you need to do is go ahead and copy this link, okay? Just copy that, and then you can share it with your friends or anyone you want to go ahead and invite. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.